Hey guys, so I'm coming at you with a bit of an announcement. As you maybe already figured out from the thumbnail title, I am leaving this channel, taking a break from this channel. I don't really even know, but if you follow me at all elsewhere, you'll know that my main channel is a book channel where I talk about all the books that I read and want to read. I have a lot to say over there, and I have a personal channel that it just kind of gets all the other things. And then I have this channel, and I have been thinking over the last few weeks that one of them has to go. And I don't think this is maybe necessarily the logical choice in some ways, but I think it's this channel that has to go. And I'm a little sad about it, but I'm also looking forward to it. You know, sometimes you have to make choices, figure out the best use of your time, and this is what I've decided. If you want more videos, homeschool related content from me, I still have my homeschool membership. I do share videos there at least monthly. I actually have a little bit of a backlog. I'm going to be sharing some more videos there. I have a library haul coming up, plus a bunch of math, like picture book / book recommendations that I'm going to be doing over there. So if you want more homeschool videos, my membership is the way to go. And very soon I'm going to be closing the option to sign up for an entire year. It's just going to be a monthly basis. So if you want to get the cheapest option, like, this is the time. And I will also be continuing to make like homeschool products for my members and for my shop. That's still going to be happening. It's just videos here are not going to be happening. What I'm going to be doing is some of the videos that I used to post here are going to kind of be split into my other channels. If I want to make a video about books, then it will go to my booktube channel. So if my kids are sharing their favorite books, it's going to go to my booktube channel. If I want to do some like general homeschool updates, it's going to go to my personal channel. But that channel will not be mostly homeschooling. It will just be like a little bit here and there. I shared a little bit about why I've made this decision, but another reason is like my kids are getting older. I don't want to do a whole lot of like content with them in it necessarily, for privacy reasons and like just respect their boundaries. But I still do want to share our homeschool journey. So those are the different places you can find me. First of all, the membership will have the most homeschool content. Bookish stuff will be over my booktube channel, and general homeschool updates now and then will be over on my personal channel. So I want to thank you guys so much for your support over here. I'm not saying I'm going to be gone forever. Like, I don't want to like close that door. The videos are going to still stay up here. I may come back in a different season of life, but for this season, this is a decision that I've had to make. So thank you so much for joining me over here over the years.